Good evening, YouTube. Yes, it's a little bit late while I'm filming this. Had a long day, but in this video, we are going to be talking about my 5th lesson of what you should do in order to be a successful YouTuber in 2018. My name is Gary Waller. This is Waller Life. We talked about other things that you should do in previous videos that I'm going to leave a link for right here of how you should be a successful YouTuber on YouTube in 2018. Well, so far I've had a lot of luck and a lot of success with these little videos, and a lot of people keep telling me that these are really good tips. So I'm going to keep doing them. My next tip I wanted to talk to you guys about is promotion. Now, what do I mean? Okay, promoting your channel. What does that entail? It means that you need to share, like, tweet, Instagram, your thumbnails, Snapchat, Facebook. You need to put your YouTube channel, the little link that you can get for your channel, anywhere and everywhere you possibly can. Now, that's just the first step. The second step is by engaging with your audience, promoting that your channel does this on different things, such as my carnival tips and tricks and all of that stuff that I do with my wife. We are in a group chat or a group board on Facebook, and so that has a membership of 25,000 people, and it was free to join. And so anytime I post a video, I also share the link on that board, so I potentially reach 25,000 views or 25,000 people that could possibly watch that video. It's extremely important, so you have to use your resources that are available to you. Twitter, engage with your audience. It doesn't hurt you to follow someone and then actually read what they're saying. If you tweet something and someone retweets it, go like it. Promote yourself. Put your name out there. Actually engage with what you're doing, what you're talking about, and make sure it's wholehearted. Don't make it something up just because it sounds awesome. It's one of those things where you need to make sure that you're actually engaging with your videos on other different platforms, so that way more people can be drawn into them and you can get the viewers that you deserve. If you are a gaming channel, you should be active in the gaming community about things about that game. You want to be a part of that community so that way you can have that weekend chat with your buddies of talking about the Nintendo Switch. Whatever your particular vice is. But you should be engaged and be active on social media such as Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. Now, of course, you're on YouTube because you want views and you want subscribers. You want to eventually make it to where you can get ads on your videos. That is important, but first you should establish a base with your YouTube channel. You should be able to provide good content with quality editing skills that allows you to engage in your audience, and so that way they keep wanting to come back and actually view your content. Just putting a Tide Pod challenge up just because you're some random person doesn't mean you're gonna get a lot of views. It's just one of those things. You should have a purpose, you should have a goal, and you should promote yourself accordingly. I'm not a gaming channel. Eventually I would like to do some gaming streams or stuff like that. I'm not a musician, but eventually I wouldn't mind making a song or two. But in this channel, it's Gary Waller Vlogs, eventually will be Waller Life, and I want to show you guys everything that I do with my life. So if it's something that interests you, consider subscribing. Me and my wife do a lot of different things. We do traveling videos, we do vlogs, we do painting, we do tips and tricks. We have a lot of information that we think would benefit everybody who's actually listening. My wife and I are giving away a very special prize at 500 subscribers. That 500 subscriber giveaway is going to be a free painting that my wife is going to be painting, and we'll make a video about it, and it'll be yours to keep. Without further ado, go and check out a couple of other videos or go and check out another couple of channels. It's all about promoting yourself. You want to actually promote yourself if you're wanting to be successful on YouTube. That is all that I have for you guys tonight. Thank you guys for stopping by. We absolutely love engaging with you guys and communicating. Let us know in the comments section below what you would like us to do next. We love all of the engagement that we're getting with you guys, and we cannot thank you enough. We love the support. We just hit 210 subscribers, and it is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I couldn't believe it. Thank you again. All right, y'all. Go be awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.